That's great.
Yeah,
For how
thank
many
you.
of for how many of y'all this was the first body transformation challenge? First one for you, Geeta ma'am.
Yes,
First one for
for
Jyoti
me.
ma'am
Yeah,
and yeah, Lancy
me
sir.
also.
Wonderful, wonderful. So for quite a few of y'all, this was the very first body transformation challenge, but it's almost close to about 3 years that we've been running the transformation challenges online. Thanks to the online system, we've been able to help a lot of people attain their ideal weight and get rid of a lot of metabolic issues. So, warm welcome to everybody to the grand finale and recognitions of the last weight loss marathon, which was held in the month of June. And so, let's get started with the team recognitions in the first place. All right. I hope you all remember which team you have been a part of. We had four teams in the last weight loss marathon. Out of the four teams, in fact, all the teams have done very well. Usually, in the past, the average total weight loss used to be close to about 5 kgs, 6 kgs, and all. But the last weight loss marathon, we've had an amazing, what do you say, team participation, and the things have been very, very good. I've been so happy looking at everybody's participation and results. So let's start with the team in the fourth position, and that is Team 3. Team 3 participants have been Ethel, Dr. Smita, Lancy, Geeta, Oliver, Vilma, Prima, and Lady. Big round of applause to all the team participants of Team 3. Overall weight loss in the lap 1 was 8.6 kgs, and in the lap 2 it was 5.5 kgs. Amazing. And the total weight loss of the team was 14.1 kgs. Isn't that fantastic? So team 4,
Yeah.
great going. The next team that is in the third place is Team 1. Team 1 has just done a few grams more than Team 3. And the participants are Vilma Vegas, Maxi Almeida, Samir Khedkar, Flavia, Jyoti Lobo, Ivy, Ritika, and Romeus. Big, big congratulations, Team 1. Overall weight loss has been 14.15 kgs with 9.55 kgs achieved in lap 1 and 4.6 kgs in lap 2. I can see that in the lap 1, in the first lap, the team 1 has performed very well, and probably in the lap 2 they felt a little overconfident. I think so. All right, but never mind, the next challenge is on the way, so I hope the overconfidence does not bring any team down. All right. And in the second position, we have Team 2 with an overall weight loss of 15.45 kgs. Fantastic. Big round of applause to the participants: Jacqueline, Vivina, Father Richard, Anand, Dr. Kavita, Ludi, Sejal, and Irene. Fantastic. Lap 1, fantastic weight loss with 11.95 kgs. Lap 2 was 3.5 kgs. Team 2 participants, I think you were a little overconfident in the second lap, right? And in the first place, we have the winner, the team. Which team? Team 4. Big, big round of applause to all the winners. Every participant of Team 4 is a winner because each one of you have contributed to this kind of a weight loss, and that is 15.75 kgs. Fantastic. The participants and the winners are Preeti, Dr. Dheeraj, Florida, Darwin, Diana, Jyoti Coelho, Odette, and Loisen. Big, big round of applause. Lap 1 and lap 2 have been fantastic participation. Lap 1, 7.2 kgs weight loss, and lap 2, it was 8.55 kgs. So if you see here, the team 4 has done very well by maintaining that zeal, that enthusiasm, and that confidence level throughout, in all these 20 days. They did not do too much in any one of the laps. They have done good in both the laps, right? So I hope the other teams and other participants get to learn a little from here. What is that we'll get to learn? That do your best consistently. It may be small differences, right? Small change, 7 kgs, 8 kgs, not very big change, but consistently they have done, and that's the reason there has been fantastic results here. Anyone from team 4 on the call right now? Fantastic. Florida, who else? Jyoti ma'am, very good. I'll come back to you, Jyoti ma'am, in a while. Anyone else? Congratulations, Jyoti ma'am, for your
Thank you.
superb, participation and contribution to making the team win. Anyone else from team four?
Diana.
Diana.
Diana ma'am, congratulations. All the way from Dubai, you participated really well. Thanks to your contribution that the team is winning. Congratulations. Anyone
Ma'am.
else?
You look like smooth.
Who else? All right, all right. Great, great, great. So we shall continue. How many of you are excited now for the individual prizes? I
Everyone.
said lied. Amazing. So right now we are going to deal with the individual prizes, and to do the recognition for individual participants, over to you, Florida.
First of all, a big congratulations to all of you for doing such a great job. And in fact, when I was going through all the total weight losses, I realized something very beautiful. Do you know what's the weight of a full gas cylinder? The one that we get in India, domestic gas cylinders. You get starting from 5 kilos, 12 kilos, and the domestic gas cylinders that we use weigh about 14.2 kilos. And all the teams have lost one full gas cylinder. Have you carried a full gas cylinder? Do you know how heavy it is? There's
Woohoo.
always a man in the house who's supposed to lift the gas cylinder. Don't take me wrong. But isn't that true? So all of us have lost so much weight. Do you know what an amazing thing that is? That's team 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the only challenge where we are very happy to lose. Am I right?
Yes.
We're the
Yes.
happiest to lose. And I think now it is time to recognize all of those who have had the best performances from every single team. So I think it's time to go to team 1. Any guesses who's from team 1? Okay, let's look at it. So in the first lap, we have Alvin sir who has done a fantastic job. Alvin sir, as a matter of fact, is now 70 years old. And the reason he started off with me was just out of curiosity to see what this girl is doing. And that's when he started off. And he was very skeptical when he started the program. But as a matter of fact, I believe the community, that is all of you, have made him feel that this program is a beautiful one. It's 3 months now, and he is not ready to leave my back because he loves the community. He tells me one thing: I'm not coming for the shake, I am coming for the people, because each one of you has made a difference in his life. The online challenges, maybe meeting him in person, that is the main reason he's still consistent and he's doing a great job. He lost about 3.9 kilos in the first lap itself. And in the second lap, he had to go for a cataract surgery, so he wasn't able to perform his best, but still he was in the loop. He was doing a great job. And at the same time, on team 1, during the second lap, we had Vilma ma'am. Vilma ma'am lost about 1 kilo. Vilma ma'am, as a matter of fact, has lost almost 10 kilos now in the last 3 months. And you know, once you come to the 10 kilo weight loss margin, you tend to hit a plateau. And she was finding it quite difficult to lose weight here and there. But again, the challenge pushed her. And just in the second lap, she has lost about a kilo. I think in the whole span of the challenge, she has lost about 2.5 kilos. But just in the second lap, she has lost 1 kilo. And Vilma ma'am is at a roast right now. She wanted to be here, but she's attending a function. And Alvin sir, he has some technical issues, so he was not able to join in. But again, I want to congratulate both these champions for doing a great job in team 1. Can we give a round of applause? Yes. Now it's time to go to team 2. Any guesses? Everybody's smiling. So in team 2, the first lap winner is Jacqueline. Jacqueline is working at the DC office. So we have a new commissioner in town, for those of you who don't know. So the commissioner has put a lot of work on her. So that's how she's not able to join in today's call. But she has lost a whopping 3.9 kilos. Jacqueline is someone who only loses weight during the challenge. Because she tells me one thing: only when I see other people posting their meals, I feel motivated to do it right. I feel somebody's going to see my meal plan, so I have to do it properly. That is the only reason she does an amazing job during the challenge. And again, the reason is all of us as a community putting in our efforts together and bringing the kind of results that we need. And at the same time, in the second lap, Vivina ma'am has lost about 1.7 kilos. We have Vivina ma'am with us. I'm not going to buck anymore. Vivina ma'am, over to you. Can you please share us how your journey has been and how the challenge is helping you? Vivina ma'am is extremely shy. As a matter of fact, Vivina ma'am is in Dubai right now. So when Vivina ma'am will come, we'll get all the Dubai goodness.
Amazing.
Yes, Vivina
Congratulations,
ma'am.
Vivina ma'am.
Thank you. So, being in Dubai is a bit difficult for me actually to lose the weight because weekends are not possible to continue with the shakes and all, and too many functions we had. But still, because of this challenge and that mind, no, we have to lose that weight. So I lost, tried to lose some weight, but then my reports like are very good, like
Wow.
sugar, diabetic level. It has reduced a lot. Cholesterol also. So I'm happy with that.
Please tell us more.
That's
What do
amazing,
you
ma'am.
mean by reduction? How has it improved? How much was it before? How is it now?
Recently, 2 days back, I did my this like 3 months average. That is, it
Mm-hmm.
was around 6.7. Now it has come to 6.13 or something.
Wow. Wow. Fantastic.
And cholesterol
That's
also
absolutely amazing.
reduced a lot. The
Okay, I
main
think
was
in the first 1 month that ma'am tested a cholesterol report, there was a reduction in almost 100 points, if I'm not wrong.
yeah,
Correct, ma'am?
something like yeah.
Yes, about 100 points reduction was there. And when Vivina ma'am first started off, she used to find it a little difficult to exercise.
Mm-hmm.
But by the time it was 1 month on the program, she was a pro. She was doing it better than everyone else. And
Yeah.
that's an amazing transformation. And she was worried. She was telling me, Flo, once I go back to Dubai, I don't think I'll lose much weight. But look at you, Vivina ma'am, you're a champion now. So
Thank you.
congratulations to you.
Thank you.
So as a
Congratulations.
matter of fact, even though we see in team one and team two, we have two main winners who have taken the load of all the 14 and above kilos, it's time for us to take inspiration from them and start getting into the game as well. So for team three and team four, I want to hand it over back to you, Frida.
Thank you. Team 3, we have Geeta ma'am as the winner of lap 1 and Lancy sir as the winner of lap 2. Big round of applause to both of them. Geeta ma'am, very good evening. Good to see you on the call. Geeta ma'am, please tell us how long has it been since you joined the community? How has it been for you through the transformation challenge?
Yeah, first of all, I must thank you, Florida, Frida. Thank you so much for always pushing us. Although when I came, I said, how am I going to lose weight? I've been struggling with my weight,
Yes.
which is quite a difficult task for me.
Mm-hmm.
So looking at others as a community, I felt a little good. More than that, your inspiration, Frida, you always push me that I can do it, and the effort that you took for me, I think that is really marvelous. And you always encourage, no, you can do it. And even the diet, that what the tips that you gave was really useful to me, especially on taking on more of proteins, which I neglected a bit earlier, probably. But now I'm a little bit conscious. Whenever I make a plate, okay, there should be a protein. So it is not only for me, in my family too, I put this like, okay, there should be a protein. And yeah, if there is no non-veg, of course, there is always your legumes and pulses, which supplements. And intake of water, 3 liters, which that also is really helping me. The day I go down with water, I can feel, no, something went wrong, like, so that is something. And your useful tips on how to cook, especially the what do you call the sprouted, the chanas and all that, it was really very helpful. So when I do I mean, I have to do my kitchen over here, so it does really help me a lot, not only me, even my family. And plus the discipline, we have stopped buying all the junk food, especially the even bread we have
Mm-hmm.
stopped, because knowing, okay, some things, what I mean, we have to be very careful when we buy. So go I mean, switching on more to homemade chapatis, the whole wheat,
Mm-hmm.
and even ragi, the millets,
Mm-hmm.
which has taken an upper hand. So thanks a lot for that. And the salads,
Amazing.
definitely.
Amazing.
So
Thank you.
there's a long way to go for me. So it is not
Indeed.
easy. I've just
Indeed.
begun. I think it's just 1 month plus.
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, there's a long way, and I should.
Amazing, Geeta ma'am. Big
Thank you so
congratulations
much.
to you. And I remember
Thank
the
you.
first day you came in, Geeta ma'am, you asked me a question. Is it even possible for me at my age to lose weight? Didn't you ask me that? And see, you've
Yeah,
lost over 3 kgs already, and with 2.1 kgs in just 10 days. Amazing. Keep
yeah,
going. Keep going.
yeah, yeah.
Congratulations once again. Lancy sir, big congratulations to you. Lancy sir, please unmute yourself. I want to talk to you. You are doing it all the way from Dubai. And I must congratulate because it's not really easy because I've been in this community for 8 years. It's not easy for someone so far away from the coach and doing weight loss like a pro. I always see your post and it's so inspiring. Please tell us about your
Yeah.
journey and how you did it.
I started this on May, I
Okay.
think so, May, yeah. So
1 month, yeah.
1 month, 1.5 month.
Mm-hmm.
Because difficult here, it's too much hot.
Yes.
Because, yeah, so the early morning also same and evening also same.
Mm-hmm.
But because of the team, then I got motivated.
Right.
So it's moved me to forward, go and do something different.
Right.
So I trying last 20 years to reduce weight, which
Really?
is not able to. Yeah. So, but this time I managed to, and thanks to you all to motivating me.
Amazing. Big congratulations, Lancy sir. What has been your total weight loss, sir?
I think so 5 kg now.
Wow, 5
I
kgs,
was 85, so
1.9
now
kgs
I'm 8.
in 10 days.
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing.
Can
Big,
I
big
make a
round
small
of
addition?
applause. Yes, please.
Lancy sir's daughter is getting married soon.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel if Lancy sir sticks to this program,
Mm-hmm.
by the time his daughter gets married, people will ask, is this Jalisha's father or brother?
Brother, oh.
He's just getting younger by the day. Because people in my center ask me, where is this new walking track that I have not seen in Mangalore? And I was quite surprised. I went searching for it and then I realized, oh, it's Lancy sir walking. And then I realized sir is so motivated, he keeps walking every day. As a matter of fact, looking at Lancy sir walking every day, I started walking every day. So
Wow.
this is motivation happening in reverse.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Amazing,
correct. Yeah.
amazing. Big congratulations, Lancy sir, and your family is
Thank
inspiring, I
you.
must say. I
Thank
must
you.
say.
Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. Let's move ahead to the last team. Team 4 participants. Are you here? Let's see who the winners are from Team 4. Team 4 coming up. Why is Dr. Dheeraj's photo not here? I've put it anyway. I think there's been a technical issue. Big round of applause to Dr. Dheeraj for being the winner in the lap 1 with 2.9 kgs. And Jyoti Coelho for being the winner in lap 2 with 3.05 kgs. 3 kgs, my God, in 10 days. Big round of applause. Do we have Dr. Dheeraj on the call?
Dr. Dheeraj is traveling back from Kannur, so he's in the train right now.
All right, all right. Thank you. Jyoti
But
ma'am.
if I can quickly walk you through Dr. Dheeraj's transformation,
Yes.
Dr. Dheeraj is an orthodontist. He
Mhm,
and his wife both joined the nutrition community.
mhm.
They have been a regular part of the system. And Dr. Dheeraj is a foodie. He loves food. And the first change that he had to do is a breakfast replacement. He was worried. And he told me, I can't do that. But he was so happy that without doing major changes, just setting right his meal plan, just having a breakfast replacement, having such a good breakfast, and at the same time taking care of just small little things, he has lost 3 kilos. And he was telling me that if I do it even more seriously, just imagine my progress.
Mhm.
So again, a big congratulations to Dr. Dheeraj as well.
Amazing, amazing. Do we have Jyoti ma'am on the call? Good evening, Jyoti ma'am. Yes,
Evening.
you can unmute yourself now. Big congratulations, Jyoti ma'am, and to your daughter also. I'm sure your
Yeah.
daughter has supported you in your weight loss journey, isn't it?
Yes. She's not letting
Amazing.
me have junk food because you told me not to eat.
Wow, wow. Tell us how you did this, Jyoti ma'am. 3 kgs, my God, in 10 days.
No, I haven't thought it like that. I was just trying out. I thought my sister's trying, so I thought maybe I'll give it a try just for a month. But in the first week, when I got the results, so I was more excited. So I was doing more exercises, and that's obeying all the rules about food and everything. So I was quite happy with my weight loss. So I want to do it more, and very quickly I want to lose all my weight, whatever I intend to do it.
Great, great. I can see that you are an ardent follower of whatever I have told you. Really, you've
Yes.
been such a good student. You've been doing every single thing that I told you. So I'm so happy for you, Jyoti ma'am. Big congratulations for all those of you who know Maxi Almeida. Yes, Maxi Almeida, she shared her result in the last Wellness Living program that we had. She has got an amazing result if you can go back and listen to the video if you've not. So Maxi ma'am's sister has inspired Jyoti ma'am. Okay. Jyoti
Yeah.
ma'am is Maxi ma'am's sister. So
Yes.
big inspiration and a long way to go, Jyoti ma'am. Big congratulations again. I'm sure you will attain the best weight loss further and all the best in the next challenge as well.
Thank you very much.
Great. 1 minute. So to all the participants, big congratulations. And I'm sure you've done your best. I think we all could do even better